Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question number 9. During a certain period in a life of earthworm, its length L centimeter is directly proportional to the square root of n, and where n is the number of hours after its birth. So in this question they are saying that during a certain period in life of a earthworm को डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। अर्थफॉर्म की लाइफ में उसकी लेंथ जो है उसको रिप्रेजेंट किया जा रहा है एल सेंटीमीटर से, और उसकी लेंथ जो है वो डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल है स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ एन के साथ, और यहाँ पे एन जो है नंबर ऑफ आवर्स आफ्टर इज बर्थ है। तो जो लेंथ है, लेंथ ऑफ द अर्थवॉर्म है, वो डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू नंबर ऑफ आवर्स आफ्टर इट्स बर्थ है। हमारे पास लेंथ इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल to the square root of n, and L is the length which is given in centimeter and n is the hours after his birth. So L is directly proportional to under root n, square root of n, and we have discussed in the last questions that when the two variables are directly proportional to each other, so first we have to convert the directly proportional relation into equal to. Directly proportional relation is converted into equal to by placing a constant, means that यहाँ पे L is directly proportional to under root x है, लेकिन अगर मुझे L को बराबर करना है under root x के साथ तो मुझे एक constant को constant यहाँ पे रखना पड़ेगा, और वो constant यहाँ पे है k। यहाँ पे जो constant यूज़ हो रहा है वो k की वैल्यू एक constant होगी, और वो constant वैल्यू जब under root x n के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा, अंडर रूट एन की वैल्यू जब उस कांस्टेंट के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगी तो वो एल की वैल्यू प्रोड्यूस करेगी, या वो एल जो लेंथ है उसके बराबर हो जाएगा। तो ये हमें डाटा यहाँ तक गिवन है। उसके बाद कह रहे हैं 1 hour आफ्टर एन अर्थवॉर्म इज बॉर्न, मीन्स दैट एन, इट इज गिवन दैट एन इज 1 hour आफ्टर इज बर्थ, इट्स लेंथ इज 2.5 सेंटीमीटर, मीन्स दैट this is the given information which says that after 1 hour of its birth the length of the earthworm is 2.5 centimeter. So by this information we will first find out the value of k. So by placing the values in the equation, which is L is equals to, the value of L is 2.5 is equals to k under root n is 1. So under root 1 is 1. So the value of k will be 2.5, means that the constant is 2.5 here. Now the equation will be, L is equals to k 2.5 into under root n. So first we will find the first part. In the first part they are saying that find an equation connecting L and N. So this is the equation which is connecting L and N, which is L is equals to 2.5 under root n. Now the second part. In the second part they are saying that find the length of an earthworm 4 hours after his birth. We have to find the length of the earthworm 4th hour after his birth. So by using the equation is L is equals to 2.5 under root n. L, we have to find L, 2.5 into under root n, and under root n the value of n is 4. So L will be 2.5 into 2, the square root of 4 is 2. So the value of L will be 2.5 into 2, and 2.5 into 2 means that it will be 5. So length of the earthworm will be 5 centimeter after 4 hours of its birth. So this is the second part. Moving to the third part. In the third part they are saying that, now we have to find the third part. In this third part they are saying that how long will it take for an earthworm to grow to a length of 15 centimeter, means that in this part they are saying that to be at the length of 15 centimeter how many hours will be required. So after how many hours the length of the earthworm will be 15 centimeter. So using the equation is L is equals to 2.5 under root n. So L is 15 is equals to 2.5 under root n. So 15 is divided by 2.5 is equals to under root n. 15 is divided by 2.5, 15 divided by 2.5, it will be 6. So 6 is equals to under root n. Now to find the value of n, we have to take squaring on both sides. So n will be equal to 36. 36 hours means that after his birth, after his birth, or after, how long will it take? 36 hours after his birth, 36 hours after his birth, after an earthworm is born, after an earthworm is born, its length is 15 centimeter. So this is the question number 9. Inshallah, in the next video we will start the next question. Assalamu alaikum.